just go to more here. Ouch. My back hurts. And then you can Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete YouTube comments from your videos on YouTube. So this one is pretty simple, like the other tutorials that we have on YouTube. So it won't take much of your time, so I need 100% of your attention so that we'll get over with it immediately. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So of course, what we need to do first is we need to head over to our channel here. So this is my channel. Subscribe, please. Sorry. No. This is another channel. Okay. So what I have here are some of my videos, and yes, that's my face. Hello, that's me. That's Kim. Blah blah blah. So these are some videos that I made. This is pretty old. Well, a year ago, 2 years ago. So if I go over here, I'm not gonna play that video. So as you can see that there are some comments here. I don't know why it's sorted. So there are 2 comments only, but let's say that one of these comments I want to hide. Like for example, this minor error. How dare you say this? This is making a bad image about my channel. But of course, I'm not really gonna do something like that. I'm not some sort of dictator, or am I? So what you need to do is to go over here to the right side. If you'll see here these 3 dots, just click on it, and then you have the remove button over here, and you also have this other feature, which is hide user from channel. So anything from this user will never be seen on your channel ever again. And another thing you can do is you head over to this user's channel, just go to more here, and then you can go to report user, and as you can see there's this button saying hide user from my channel, and what will that do is that it will hide anything from that user on your channel. So it's the same thing as the one that I showed you a while ago. So that's it. That is how you can hide comments from your YouTube videos in a quick and simple way. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please.